Hey folks, so it's been a while since I recorded. In fact, my last two videos recorded a few weeks ago, one after another, although not in the order they were released. So, I'm still trying to get a few of the padlocks off of this, and I'm getting to the point where some of these are actually kind of tricky for me to pick. So, we're going next with the Master Lock 575. To pick this, I'm using a tension wrench I made specifically for it, which involved taking a piece of wiper blade insert that is 47 thousandths, about 47 thousandths of an inch thick, and trimming it, well, filing it two different ways. Both I filed it down so it's not as wide, and then I reduced the thickness down to about 41 thousandths, 42 thousandths, something like that. So it fits pretty snug. Now, with this lock, the two picks I seem to have the most luck with are a Peterson gem in 15 thousandths and this homemade hook that didn't really come out properly, but for some reason seems to work. And if I get frustrated, I'm probably not going to break this one because it's thicker. So that's what I'm going to go with. So let's see how long it takes me to get this open on camera. Is it really very... Okay, we got to click on the first pin, although probably not doing the right binding order. Flipped a little bit there. I think I hit the third pin and not the second one. Starting to feel like something's overset. I really wish I could remove the core from this lock so I could see if there were actually security pins in it, but alas, it is not rekeyable. Well, recorable too. So I reset the pins because I was pretty sure something was overset. Okay, let's start going to the back here. Sorry about shaking the camera, folks. Speaking of the camera, post a comment, let me know what you think about the top-down view I'm using right now as opposed to having the camera set up in front of me. The advantage to this is I'm less likely to hit the camera, although, as you can tell when I bump the table, it still gets shaken up quite a bit. It's kind of a mixed bag. And I'm not sure if this is necessarily the best angle to view picking with, although we do have an open. So let me show you the key. So not the worst bitting by any stretch. And another cute thing about this lock is you cannot lock it without putting the shackle back in. So yeah, but we got an open and didn't take super long. Again, this is a lock that sometimes will pop right open and sometimes takes forever. But I do think the combination of this bottom of the keyway tension wrench I made and homemade pick worked pretty well for it. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a great day, and hopefully they'll get back to uploading on a more regular basis. See you in the next one, folks. Bye.